Hello everyone, very welcome to another video of English learning. This is the fourth video of intermediate level, and in this video we are going to study the past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? What kind of action it shows? How we can use past continuous tense? So be with me, you will learn. Past continuous tense, it shows the duration of an action in the past. The main verb is ing form of the verb, because it is a continuous tense, and for all continuous tenses we use ing form of the verb. The helping verb is was or were, and look at the structure. It is very easy. Subject plus were or was plus verb ing plus object or complement. The example, I was playing football. This is subject, this is helping verb, this is main verb plus ing. The football is an object or complement. The negative form, subject plus were or was plus not plus verb ing plus object or complement. Look at the example, I was not playing football. This is subject, this is helping verb, this is not, and this is verb ing, this is object. The question form or interrogative form, were or was plus subject plus verb ing plus object or complement plus question mark. Was I playing football? So the negative interrogative form, were or was plus subject plus not plus verb ing plus object or complement plus question mark. Was I not playing football? The informal one is were or was plus subject plus not plus subject plus verb ing plus subject or complement, and the example is was not I playing football? The second example, we were studying mathematics. We were not studying mathematics. Were we studying mathematics? Were we not studying mathematics? Were not we studying mathematics? The meaning of both sentences are the same, but the difference is that this one is formal and this one is a little bit informal. You can use both of them. And another important thing, let me tell you another important thing, that is, for I, he, she, it, we use was, and for we, they, you, we use were. We have studied these ones at primary level, that they are subject pronouns and we know how we can use it. So this was the definition of past continuous tense. Another thing which is very important is when we can use past continuous tense. We can use it when one action is in progress in the past and another action happened at the middle of the first action. For example, while I was studying, my friend called me. It means that while I was studying, my friend called me on that time, and the calling was happened in the middle of the studying. The another usage of past continuous tense is this, that it shows the duration of two actions in the past. For example, while Ali was sleeping, his brother was listening to music. The another example, while I was driving, my brother was reading a book. So this was the past continuous tense, and it was very easy. It is very easy to use, and it is very easy to learn. It is just you can do it. If you want it, you can do it. So past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, it shows the two actions in the past, but one action happened earlier and another action happened later, or another one is happened later. How? Like this. Example, our teacher had taught 2 pages before I joined the class. The first action or the earlier action is shown by the past perfect tense, and the later action or the second action is shown by the past, by the simple past. Look at I joined the class. This is simple past tense. Another example, I had eaten food before she came to our home. This is past perfect tense, and this is simple past tense. This tense shows the earlier action, and this tense shows the later action. The main verb for past perfect tense is third form of the verb, because it is a perfect tense, and for all perfect tenses we use third form of the verb. The helping verb is had. The structure or how we can form sentences is like this. The affirmative form, subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object or complement. And here is the example, they had eaten food. This is subject, this is had, this is third form of the verb, and this is object. So for negative, subject plus had plus not plus third form of the verb plus object or complement. Very easy. They had not eaten the food. This is subject, this is had, this is not, this is third form of the verb, and this is object. For question form, we just bring had at the beginning of the sentence, had plus subject plus third form of the verb plus object or complement. And here's the example: had they eaten the food? Had they eaten food? For negative interrogative, had plus subject plus not plus third form of the verb plus object or complement. Had they not eaten the food? Negative interrogative, informal one: had plus not plus subject plus third form of the verb plus object or complement. Had not they eaten the food? Had not they eaten food? So this is the past perfect tense that we have learned, and don't try to memorize the definition of this tense. Just learn how to use it. And let me tell you something important, that when we use past perfect tense, we use it when one action is completed before another action in the past. For example, they had left their house. They had left their house before we arrived there. Another example: I had cooked the rice before the guests came. And here one S is for God. Before the guests came. So this was the past perfect tense. I hope you learn it.